This is a driveway project here we've got, and just thought I'd do a little before and after video. This driveway's got all kinds of settling cracks in it where the builder apparently did not put proper fill, compacted fill underneath it, so it's all out of whack. It's typical in these Tennessee subdivisions where you got all these hills. They'd be in a big hurry to build, and the driveway was not apparently a priority. So the artisans are going to fix it. We're going to break all this up. We're going to pour a proper retaining wall here. This one is formed into the driveway, which is a mistake. Should be a separate retaining wall. That retaining wall actually adds to the problem because you've got this uneven weight distribution around the edges of the concrete, which will actually make it want to settle more there. This slab should just be a floating slab on gravel. It should be separated from the retaining wall, and you'll see that as we go along. So that's our before video. Baby.